Yeah, good morning to all. Today we learn project explanation on favorite topic. So first of all, you can good morning to all respected teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Today I am going to speak my project explanation. A few words about my project explanation. My favorite. You can before you can say everything you can say, you can write it only can write it, and that my favorite topic on thousand. This is the 1,000 pillar temple picture only. This is the name, project name is that. What is the project and our name? You can write it. Gagan Sai Reddy. Subject is the project and class number is the 6th. And project is the favorite topic 1,000 pillar temple. Name is the name. You can write it 1,000 pillar temple. Here it is the picture is also and paste here it is the picture on the paper. That is the 1,000 pillar temple. My favorite topic on 1,000 pillar temple. 1,000 pillar temple. Or what here it is the Rudreshwara Swami temple. 1,000 topic and Rudreshwara Swami temple is a historic Hindu temple. Historic Hindu temple located in the town of Hanmakonda district. Hanmakonda and Hanmakonda district and Telangana state. In India. Telangana state in India. This temple is very popular. Pilgrimage center in Warangal. Popular pilgrimage center in Warangal. And next, this temple is a wonderful construction. This temple is a wonderful construction. This temple has the temple has a star-shaped architecture. The temple has a star-shaped architecture. And next, this temple is what here is this amazing temple. The amazing temple is supported by supported by the pillars that are richly carved, richly carved. Next, what every part of temple is? Every part of the temple depicts the typical Chalukya style of architecture. Next, what here it is the next you can find a woog monolith Nandi made up of a black basalt stone. Next, it is dedicated to Lord Shiva and Vishnu and Surya. The temple along with Warangal Fort next Kakatiya Kalathoranam and Ramappa temple. Next, this temple was believed to be constructed during the period between 1175 1244 CE by order of the king Rudradeva. Next, many Hindu temples were developed under the patronage patronage of Ganapati Deva, Ganapati Deva, Ganapati Deva, and Rudrama, Rudrama Devi, Rudrama Devi. Next, what year it is? And Pratapa Rudra. And what year it is? Pratapa Rudra. And wooer of Kakatiya dynasty. Wooer of Kakatiya dynasty. But this is that what year it is that, and one more point is also there. It stands how to be masterpiece and achieved major heights in terms of architectural skills by the ancient Kakatiya Vishwakarma Stapit. Yeah, these all are is what year it is. Some more points is also you can write it. And this is that short or some important of about or what is the favorite topic on Thousand Pillar Temple. This is the your project finishing. This is the tomorrow you can practice and you can learn only today. Okay, and say thank you, say bye bye.